Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. I've got a super cool product to unbox for you today. This is the Logitech Pro 2 LIGHTSPEED, a symmetric and ambidextrous gaming mouse with customizable side buttons, light force switches, LIGHTSPEED wireless, and so much more. So let's get into it. When we open the box, we're greeted by the mouse itself and a prompt to download Ghub, which I highly recommend for reasons I'll get into later. And this dot of protective material to keep the mouse safe during shipping. We'll come back to the mouse in a moment. Under this tray, we find some documentation, which we'll set aside, a USB-A to C cable, an accessory box, which we'll come back to, and a LIGHTSPEED dongle inside of an extender. For more information on how to set up your LIGHTSPEED mouse with the cable and extender, please be sure to check out our video on connecting your LIGHTSPEED mouse. Speaking of the mouse, let's have a look at this machine. But first, time for the peel. Nice. The shape is similar to our Pro X Superlight mice, giving it familiar ergonomics, and it's packed with pro-level tech. It's equipped with our optomechanical light force switches, which have the precision of optical and the feel of mechanical switches. There's a nice tactile scroll wheel, a few LEDs that indicate charge, as well as your current DPI profile, and a LightSync G logo. On the bottom, we have this puck, which can be swapped for a power play puck, allowing you to game wirelessly without recharging, and you can also store your LIGHTSPEED dongle under it for transport. In the center, we have our Hero 2 sensor and the power switch. But the sides are where this mouse truly gets interesting. Looking in the small accessory box from earlier, we find more buttons and button covers. This allows the mouse to be configured for right or left-handed operation, and they can be swapped out fairly easily, like this. You can also use this to configure the mouse in a lot of unexpected ways. You can go left buttons, right buttons, no buttons, full buttons, and anywhere in between. This can offer a lot of flexibility in configuring this mouse in some extremely unique and useful ways. That brings us to how important Ghub is for getting the most out of this mouse. You can program the buttons for all manner of things from key presses to macros and more, and those settings can be written to the mouse's memory, so those settings follow the mouse, not the software. You can adjust the report rate, tracking behavior, lighting style, up to 5 DPI settings, and more. It will really unlock the power of this mouse. For more information, be sure to check out our introduction to Ghub video. I hope that answers any questions you might have about what this mouse is, what makes it unique, and what comes in the box. If you have any further questions or concerns, please reach out to us at our support site, linked in the description. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.